What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. I'm truly grateful. And if you're new here, consider clicking the subscribe button so we can go on this motorcycle vlogging journey together. So today, guys, I'm going to install a Mudguard extender for the front fender of my Honda CB500X 2019 version. So this is a fender that I got from online, and it came with this one strip of 3M tape and also these clips that are supposed to clip onto through these 3 holes that have been punched here, which means that you have to drill holes on the fender to match the ones on this, just to secure it more tightly on the bike. But I didn't really want to drill any holes on the stock Mudguard, so what I did was to buy an extra roll of 3M tape and tape it all over the area that's going to stick to the Mudguard. Now to the question, why would you want to install a Mudguard extender on the front Mudguard of the Honda CB500X? So guys, as you can see, this is the amount of dirt the bike collects when you ride on wet surfaces or in the rain, and over time the dirt is going to get in nooks and crannies where you can't clean. So that's another good reason why you should install this extension of the Mudguard. And if you can see, look at the extent to which the dirt goes. So if your feet are somewhere there, then your pants and your shoes are going to get messed up as well, especially for people who commute on this bike to work. You don't want to get to work dirty, so this is probably a good reason why you want to get this extension. So guys, I'm going to start the installation process now, but before I do, I need to clean the inside part of the Mudguard where the new one is going to sit. So it's going to go in like this, and it's going to sit right about here. So I need to clean the insides of the Mudguard where the extender is going to sit, so that it fits and sticks properly. So I'm just first of all going to use a wet towel to clean the area. I already got the bike washed yesterday. Ideally it will be best to take off the whole fender so it's easy to install and then reinstall the fender, but I don't really want to do that. It's too much hard work, and as long as I have some space to work with, it should be fine. So I'm just cleaning the inner parts of the fender up to the length of about this, because that's all we need. So that's about from here to there, and then I can start the installation process. Alright, so just to make sure it's properly cleaned of all debris, I'm just going to use some alcohol dazed tissue just to clean the inner parts, to make sure that it takes out all the little debris that the microfiber cloth couldn't do, and let it sit for a while, and when it dries, then I can install the muffler extender. So guys, after sitting for a few minutes, it's completely dry and it's clean. So I guess now I can go ahead and start peeling off the front side of the double-sided tape. Alright guys, so I've just finished peeling off the front side of the tape, so I'm going to start taping it now. Just make sure it's aligned properly to the stock muffler, and press it on all sides to make sure all the parts stick to the original. I'm just keeping my fingers crossed, guys, hoping that it doesn't fall off with rain and water and just the elements acting on it, because I really don't want to drill. The ideal situation will be to drill those holes so I can hold it more securely, but I don't really want to do that. So I hope this 3M tape works. It's supposed to be a tough one, so I hope it stays. And I'm not planning to ride a bike today, so I hope sitting for a while will do the trick to allow it to bond even stronger. So yeah, that's it guys. So it's done. I'll just do a walk around and show you how it looks like. But as the performance, time will tell. But I do hope it holds its own and it works as I'm expecting it to do. Alright, so guys, after installation, this is how it looks like. It doesn't look too bad. It almost looks like it's original from factory. Just a little bit of color difference, but I must say it looks good, and I'm pretty sure it's going to do a good job preventing too much dirt hitting the inner parts of the exhaust and the outer parts of the exhaust, I mean, and the inner parts of the engine where you can't really clean properly. So from the side, this is how it looks, and yeah, I think it's gonna do a good job stopping a lot of debris from dirtying the bike further, and also hitting your legs that will be somewhere there. So it's supposed to be cleaner. Like I said before, if you commute to work on your bike and you ride on wet surface, then your shoes and your pants are going to be wet and dirty from all the dirt on the road. So this might help to solve that problem. So that's it guys for this video. If you have one of these on your bike, kindly leave a comment in the comment section. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so we can grow bigger and bigger. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next video. Ride legal, ride safe. Peace.